Alright, today I want to talk to y'all about swapping macros. Okay, so like when is it appropriate, when is it not appropriate, what are some good things that you can sub when you're getting bored of eating your regular diet meals. Okay, so let's just use this as an example. Let's say you're supposed to eat a chicken breast, 6-ounce chicken breast, and then, a whole avocado and a cup of broccoli. All right, so that's gonna be 30 grams of fat, 35 grams of protein, fiber we don't care about. All right, so if you really hate the taste of chicken that day, well, what you can do is instead of eating that, go cook yourself a nice 6-ounce steak, and instead of doing, sirloin steak, that's the leaner cut, okay? And instead of doing a whole avocado, you could do a half avocado, or you could do 1/4 of a cup of walnuts, or you could even do like a tablespoon of MCT oil, on top of your steak. And then, whatever green veggies you want, because those don't really have, viable macros that your body can use for energy. All right, so that's one option. And then like a second option would maybe be 6 ounces of salmon and half of an avocado, or any other fat source. Okay, so if you're getting bored, it's totally okay to say, okay, well, I'm going to swap this protein for protein, this fat for fat, and I'm just going to eat whatever veggies I want. That's going to keep you from feeling deprived, and it's going to help you really stick to your meal plan long term. So one thing that I've done for you guys is I've created something called the Hardcore Cookbook. Okay, so that basically, it goes along with your plans. It's all done by macros. All you have to do is pick a recipe that is going to fit the macros for the meal you want to replace with. Okay, so I know that everybody likes to try things before they buy them, even though this cookbook's only $3.99. Okay, so if you click the link below, it's gonna take you to a page where you can go ahead and sign up to get 3 free recipes. All right. After that, if you like the way all that turned out and you want to keep doing more of them, then you can sign up for my Hardcore Cookbook. Okay, it's going to be 90 recipes. It's got shakes, it's got desserts, it's got full entrees, you name it. All right, so if you're interested, link below, sign up, and I'll give you your 3 free recipes. All right, thanks.